For years, Bill Stokes, 87, was the leading outdoor writer in the Midwest, and now Bill has written a novel, Margaret's War, about German POWs put into a Wisconsin prison camp during World War II, and the reaction of locals facing the killers of their sons. Anything Bill Stokes writes, I know I'll love. That's why Margaret's War is coming to me in the mail. Meanwhile, here's Bill reading one of his Chicago Tribune stories about growing up in Wisconsin. It's called The Snowstorms of Youth.
To us, country kids headed for the little white schoolhouse, the snowfall was like a spiritual frosting on top of our boundless energy and innocence. The snow commanded us like an itch, and we cavorted in it with the kind of abandon known only to children. Once inside the schoolhouse, we sat damp and steaming, our brains as flushed as our faces, caught up in the circumstance of the snow. We were as dumb as eggs. God himself could not have taught us much. In the early afternoon, the teacher was defeated by the hopelessness of her task, and perhaps by the frightening prospect of being snowbound with a bunch of squirming wet kids. The snow fell so thickly that it drew a curtain all around us and isolated us from everything. We could not see even the nearest farm buildings. Then, as we watched, out of the thick gathering gloom and swirling snow, our fathers began to emerge, some driving tractors, and some, like my father, guiding a team of horses. It was a wonderful ride over the hills, the horses' heel chains jingling, and the sled bobbing up and down as if it were running over frozen waves. Then, at the end of it, there was the warmth and comfort of home. But time flies, like the fragile snowflakes. It swirls briefly, and then is gone. And eventually, everything melts away as the snowstorms of our youth rage in glory.